Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the product management section on Pipex.ai and create a new product listing. To begin, click on Create Product. Enter your product name and select the most suitable category so buyers can easily find your product. Next, enter your product price in US dollars. Make sure the price is accurate and falls within the market range. Now, upload your product images using the recommended size and format for the best display. After that, add your product description title and write a detailed description of your product. You can also include the weight chart to provide complete product information. If needed, you can also create a custom product link for your listing. Next, fill in the SEO information by adding the meta title, meta description, and keywords. This helps your product page rank better in search engines. Now add any additional product information that may be useful for buyers. After that, add at least 3 FAQs related to your product. This helps answer common customer questions before they contact you. You can also add at least 2 sub-products by entering their name, description, and image. This helps buyers explore your related products. Finally, select the regions where you want to sell your products and click Save. Once your product is saved, you'll return to the All Products section. Here you can search products, change their status whenever required, edit existing listings, create a copy, delete products. That's it. Your product is now live and ready.